Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Mancraft CO2 Cartridge Adapter. First off, unscrew the bottom section of your adapter and put it aside. Install top section of the adapter inside the pressure regulator. Make sure it's screwed all the way in. Install CO2 cartridge inside the adapter. Round bottom part of the cartridge should face the bottom part of the adapter. Screw the bottom section of the adapter. Stop when you will feel the resistance. The cartridge is pressing against the releasing pin. Hold firmly two halves and twist them to engage the pin and release the pressure from the cartridge into the regulator. You will see the pressure showing on the pressure gauge. Thanks for watching.